Bobby bike riding. You're on Bobby's bike right now. And yeah, I'm going to go bike riding with you. Sorry if it's a little bumpy. We have a car coming. Oh, I think you're good. So yeah, this is my neighborhood. Yeah, we're going to turn around and go back to my house. And yeah, I think we're doing pretty good so far. So it's a little loud and windy. Sort of awesome. Okay, gets a little bumpy here. I think there's a football game on, but it's in the spring, so I don't know. So yeah, that was our trip. I hope you enjoyed it. Facebook friends, have fun.